What happened to your iPad, you said, miss?
My 4-year-old threw it.
He threw it?
Yes.
What happened? Why?
He threw it because he probably wanted to order something on Amazon and his dad told him no.
And then he got mad? Oh
yes.
My God, this is so gross.
He had a range. That's what happened when you gave a 4-year-old an iPad. I don't know if it's feasible, to be honest, at this point.
We'll see. Don't worry. I got you.
All right, thank you.
Oh. I have to put my gloves because this is so gross. I cannot even touch it. I don't know the kids how they put like that, but look how gross is this. See, like sticky on it. There is some DNA here, hairs, and over here too. It looks like it was in the case for a long time. There is more hair. And look at the side. We're gonna deep clean this and we're gonna put the new screen. The housing is bent. We're gonna try to unbend a little bit so we can make this ready. Let's go! I'm gonna deep clean this first and then start repair because it's so gross. I don't wanna touch it. Look at this already, the color change. Ew. See this one, I don't even know what that is. What's so hard, for someone to clean like this? How often do you guys clean your devices? Comment. I got so many DNAs out. Ew, look at this side. Oh my God. This is so gross. Look at this. See, the color is like black now because of the dirt. Ew. But how clean is this now? God damn. We're gonna do the same thing for this side. Shouldn't be that hard to clean it, right? Can't even hear anything from this. What do you think there is on the screen? I'm gonna change this anyway, but just wanna take the dirt out of it. surgery time. Damn, look at this battery. This battery doesn't look good. Look at this. And it looks like somebody fixed this before. Wow. Oh, this one is broken already. The rest of the screen. I'm going to unbend this part a little bit right here. And this side. We have to change this battery as well because it's not turning on. The moment you all have been waiting for. Your iPad is ready, miss. Now it's good to go. Look at this and look at that. No more dirt on the iPad. Miss went to get for milk and she didn't return it yet, so it's good to go.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make mistakes.